At the outset, I wish all of you belated Statehood Day and a very happy festive season.
Thank you, Your Lordship.
Yes, please.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4.
4 years.
Yeah. Can this be taken up after winter vacation? I have taken the concern of the opposite party, the revisionist.
Okay. Who is for the other side?
My Lord, I'm the petitioner in this case.
Okay. On a request by Swiss Senior Counsel for the respondent, sole respondent. Sole respondent.
Yes.
Matter is adjourned to be listed after the winter vacation.
Yes, Lord. Obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 23, Lordship.
Yes.
It is a consensus prayer, Lordship, if this matter may be listed after the vacation, Your Lordship.
21 matter.
23. Item
Right.
23.
21 matter.
Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, actually my senior is out of station, Your Lordship. And he
Who is
will
your
be-
senior?
Mr. Akito Zimomi, Lordship.
21 matter difficult. Okay. Our request has been made on behalf of Sri A. Jimomi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner for adjournment, as he is out of station para. Considering the above, matter is adjourned to be listed after the winter vacation.
Lordship, interim may be extended, Your Lordship.
Okay, then we give a date. We give a date, 26 calendar.
Last week of January.
We give a suggest a date. If there's an interim order, we are not just living like this. This is for Kohima bench. We'll have it on 20th,
28.
Lordship,
20th of January. Okay? To 20th of January 2026. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Lordship, I also beg to mention item 6, Your Lordship.
6 years.
If this matter will be listed next week, Your Lordship.
On a request made on behalf of the
Your
petitioner.
Lordship, on behalf of the additional AG,
Yes.
if this matter can be listed after the vacation, Your Lordship.
My senior instructed me to list it next week, Your Lordship.
If there is no urgency, we can have it after the vacation. It depends on you.
Can it be on
We'll have it
Tuesday?
next week if you have a difficulty.
Yes.
We'll. On a request made on behalf of Sri A. Jimomi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Applicant / petitioner. Matter is adjourned to be listed next week.
Lordship, interim may be extended in both the IA and the petition, Your Lordship.
Interim order, if any, stands extended till the next date of listing.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 3, Lordship.
Yes.
Kindly grant us 2 weeks' time to file reply to the additional affidavit filed by the state respondent as well as the
Why
private
additional
respondent.
affidavit? They have not filed rejoinder affidavit, a counter affidavit.
They are filed.
Then why additional affidavit? There has to be some, there will be end to the pleadings, otherwise it will go on continuously. Additional affidavit, reply affidavit, rejoinder affidavit. Here for the petitioner, your pleadings are countered by them in an affidavit of opposition which is called counter affidavit. Then you get a chance to file a rejoinder affidavit. Now additional affidavit, what, new facts have been brought in or what?
Lordship.
Item number?
3, Lordship.
Sri So-and-so Learned Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that a response is required to be filed to the additional affidavit filed by the government. Accordingly, he prays for and is granted 3 weeks to file an affidavit.
May I please, Madam? Lordship, I beg to mention item 8 and 9.
8 and 9 years?
Yes, Your Lordship, if 2 weeks time, can kindly be granted to file my counter affidavit. I've taken the consent from
8 and
the
9 is the same petitioner?
Yes, same petitioner, Madam.
Honor, yes, you're for the petitioner.
Lordship.
On a request made by Sri So-and-so Learned State Council. 2 weeks for 2 weeks for the term, 2 weeks.
Lordship.
2 weeks for the time is granted to file affidavit of opposition.
Lordship. Deeply obliged, Madam.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 11. We are yet to receive instructions for the state. 3 weeks may be given. Your
Okay.
Lordship.
On a request made by Sri So-and-so Learned State Council, matter is adjourned by 4 weeks to enable him to obtain the instructions / file affidavit of opposition.
Your Lordship, I have a similar prayer for item 17 and 19. New item.
No instructions received.
No, Your Lordship.
17 and 19 same, huh? 4 weeks for instructions, public filing of it, 17 and 19.
Your Lordship, item 14, 3
One-
weeks to file our affidavit in opposition. 1/4.
1-4. On a request made by Sri Learned State Council, 3 weeks' time is granted to enable filing of affidavit in opposition. Yes, 14.
14.
Okay.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18.
money.
Lordship here, yes, Lordship. Here I'm yet to receive instruction, so kindly list after vacation. 18, 1-8.
Okay, we'll say 4 weeks, yeah? Same, that order, no, before we said? 4 weeks for obtaining instructions, less filing an affidavit in opposition. 4 weeks, yes.
Lordship, similar prayer, item number 15 and 16, it's behalf of A. Ayumi. Lordship here, she is yet to receive instruction.
Okay,
so-
same, huh? 15 and
Lordship.
16, 4 weeks.
And
For
similar
receiving
item number 10, Lordship.
15 and 16, 4 weeks for obtaining
Item number
instructions.
10.
Less. 10 is what?
Yet to receive instruction, Lordship.
Same,
Same.
4
K.
weeks.
Angami, behalf of K. Angami.
Okay, on behalf of so-and-so.
Hello.
May I please, Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5 on behalf of Anungla LKR. Kindly allow the matter to be listed.
What, all of you want to go
After
to
the
Hornbill or what? No matters will be left. At least 2 or 3 matters you should do.
Item number 5.
5, what is your prayer?
After the winter vacation,
On behalf of whom?
Anungla LKR.
Or you're for the petitioner?
Yes, Your Lordship.
On a request made on behalf of the petitioner, matter is adjourned to be listed after 4 weeks. Yes.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 24 from the hearing.
Item number
24, Your Lordship.
24.
Yes, Your Lordship, I pray that if this matter could be listed after a vacation, Your Lordship.
Which year? 22 matter. Where is it? Okay. For the petitioner? You're
For the
for
respondent, for the CGC, Your Lordship.
CGC. For the petitioner?
Well, my lord,
What is the matter?
it's for illegal recovery, Lordship.
Against illegal recovery?
Yes,
From your pensionary benefits?
yes, Lordship.
On a request made by Sri So-and-so Learned CGC, matter is adjourned to be listed after the winter vacation. Yes.
Oblige,
Oblige, sir.
Your Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 21, Your Lordship, for the respondent number 1.
Yes.
Your Lordship, we are yet to receive an instruction, so
But we have to look at the record. It is for orders. Who are the other respondents?
As per previous occasion, respondent 2, 3, and 4 was still awaited, Lordship.
We will have to see that. Okay.
Your Lordship.
We'll give you time, but we'll have to see the records.
Your Lordship. Okay. Oblige.
Please, my Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25. from
Yes.
the- Yeah, I've taken the consent from the opposite party, Lordship.
Yes.
Kindly fix it after 4 weeks,
You're for the petitioner.
Lordship.
On a request made on behalf of the petitioner, matter is adjourned to be listed after the winter vacation. Yes.
Obliged.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20, my lord.
20.
My lord, here we were directed to take steps on respondent number 3 through dusty service, my lord.
Okay.
And I've already served the copy. However, I'm yet to file my affidavit. So if I may be granted 1 week time, my
Let
lord.
the matter reach. Orders would like to see the file. Okay. We'll give you, grant you time, but we'll after seeing the records.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7, Your Lordship.
7, yes.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, if this matter take up after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, I'm appearing above the leading counsel for the respondent number 2 and 3 in Nisuga Chichi.
Yes.
The affidavit in opposition has been drafted and it has been sent for vetting, Your Lordship. So I've taken the
Okay.
consent from the
You are a
petitioner.
government counsel.
No, Lordship.
On behalf
Private
of whom?
respondent. Private respondent.
Private respondent.
Okay. For respondent number?
2 and 3.
Sri So-and-so Learned Council for the respondent numbers 2 and 3 submits that the affidavit in opposition has been prepared and would be filed shortly. Full stop here, shortly full stop. He accordingly prays for and is granted 3 weeks further time to file the affidavit in opposition.
Lordship, there is an interim.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Much obliged, Lordship.
7.
Yes.
For motion, item number 1.
May it please your lordship?
Yes.
This contempt petition is filed for non-compliance of this honorable court order dated 13th August 2025, passed in WPC 212 of 2022.
Operative part, madam?
The operative portion is at page 56, lordship.
5-6.
Yes. The second line, page 56, second line, lordship. Yes, lordship.
Yes.
The petitioner shall be reinstated in service forthwith with full back wages and all other service benefits. The matter is remanded back to the respondent authorities to re-decide on the question of necessity to discharge the petition under provisions of section 107 read with 108 of the Assam Rifles Regulation 2016, keeping in view the discussions made by this court in this judgment, lordship. However, there has been no communication or nothing from the part of the respondents till date. Therefore, we have filed this petition, lordship. Lordship, I've also annexed the older proceedings, judgments of the older proceedings. However,
No, not required,
those
not
are-
required.
yes,
Those
lordship.
are not required. Where is your notice?
My notice is at page 57, lordship. And the receipt is at page 59.
Okay. Heard Ms. So learned counsel for the petitioner, who by means of this application has complained about willful and deliberate disobedience of an order dated 13/8/2025 passed in WPC 212 of
13 August, lordship.
13/8 we have said?
Yeah, yes. I'm
It
sorry,
is
I
not
heard
August.
13 May.
13/8.
Apologies, lordship.
13/8/2025 passed in WPC 212 of 2002. Full stop. The Learned Council has also drawn the attention of this court to the notice sent to the respondents on 29/8/2025, forwarding a copy of the judgment and requesting for its compliance. Full stop. Compliance in spite of which, in spite of which no action has been taken. Full stop. Let notice be issued returnable by 6 weeks. Let steps be taken for service of notice upon the respondents by registered post with AD. Steps within 2 working days.
Obliged, lordship.
For motion, item number 2.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I believe this matter can come up as the last item, Lordship, because the leading counsel is in court number 1, Lordship.
Who is the counsel?
P. Surin. Okay. Much obliged, Lordship.
For admission, item number 9.
Item number
9.
9 has been adjourned, I think, 2 weeks for FIN opposition. 8 is there. Oh, 8 and 9 together. 8 and 9 together. 12 is there, I think, 12.
For admission, item number 12 and 13.
Yes.
Your Lordship, the petitioner counsel was here today, but not able to locate her.
Who is the counsel?
Z. Zimomi, Madam Z. Zimomi.
Okay. Is he around? The counsel is there around?
She was in the beginning, but I couldn't find her.
Wait for a while then.
Lordship.
If
Yes, yes. I'll just find out.
If she turns up, we'll pass some orders, otherwise we'll adjourn the matter. Okay. Please try to find out.
orders, item number 20.
It came very soon.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, by order dated 10/10/25,
Let me have
we
a
were
look.
directed
Let me have a look.
Yes, ma'am.
Which order?
10/10/25, my lord.
1010.
Yes, my lord. That order, Lord, we were directed to take Dusty on respondent number 3. 10/10/25, my lord.
By order dated 10/10/2025, the learned counsel for the petitioner was given liberty to serve Dusty service upon the, not to take Dusty service upon the respondent number 3. Full stop. Para. Ms. So learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that though such Dusty service has been taken,
Yes, ma'am.
comma, the required affidavit is yet to be filed.
Yes, my lord.
Full stop. Para. Para no hai kaleng. See accordingly praised for and is granted 2 weeks time.
My lord.
2 weeks time to file the affidavit. Para.
Lordship, in
Interim
the
order
meantime-
passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Obliged, my lord.
For orders, item number 21.
21 has been mentioned. CCC. You had mentioned, I think.
One, Your Lordship.
Orders, okay. What was your prayer?
Lordship, I'm here to file my affidavit, so if this matter could be listed after vacation, at the meantime, I'll be filing my affidavit. Your Lordship.
Did you take fresh steps on 2, 3 and 4?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, okay. Pursuant to the order dated 31/10/2025, fresh steps for service of notice upon the respondent numbers 2, 3 and 4 have been taken by speed post, which is reflected in the office note dated 26/11/2025. Full stop. It, however, appears that the respondent number 1, represented by the represented by learned CGC, has not yet filed the affidavit in opposition. Full stop. Para. On the prayer of the learned CGC, 2 weeks,
Your Lordship, if 3 weeks.
3 weeks further time is granted to file affidavit in opposition. Full stop. On the next date, comma, status report with regard to the service upon the respondent numbers 2, 3 and 4 be notified by the office.
Obliged, Your
Obliged,
Lordship.
Lordship.
For orders, item number 22.
IA for
Implement.
IA for
I for impleadment of respondent number 4 and 5.
impleadment.
Yes. Yes.
Who are 4 and 5, madam?
Principal, director, and director of school education.
They are the new incumbents.
Yes,
They
Lordship.
have joined new.
Yes, Lordship.
Where have you stated? Okay, transferred, okay. What is your name, madam?
Asan S. Longomar.
Where is your application, where is your notice to the newly impleaded? Have you sent them notice?
No, Lordship.
You have to implead, give them notice before you implead. It's a contempt petition, okay?
Yes, Lordship.
Either by the council or by the party, they should inform the new incumbents that this is the order you need to comply with.
Okay, Lordship.
Then
Lord,
you have to, that is not there. We will keep this pending. In the meantime, you take, issue notice to the newly proposed respondent. Come
Yes,
back to the court if it is not complied with an affidavit and bring those receipt copies in the affidavit, okay?
Lordship, within
if we may be allowed to take 3 days.
No, it will have this pending for a month, because you need to give them time, okay? Impleadment in a contempt petition is not a matter of course. First, you need to first your endeavor is to inform them that this is an order you need to comply with. Just what we do before a normal contempt application is filed. We always issue a notice. Then we annex that this is the representation. So same thing while you implead a new incumbent, okay? What is your name? Ms. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petition, for the applicant petitioner, who by means of this application has prayed for impleadment of new parties as respondent numbers 4 and 5. Full stop. It however transpires that the proposed new respondents have not been notified of the order. Full stop. Para. In the interest of justice, comma, matter is adjourned by 4 weeks. Full stop. In the meantime, the applicant or the petitioner are required to inform the proposed respondents regarding the order with a request for compliance. Full stop. The receipt of such communication is to be brought on record by way of an affidavit, whereafter this court will pass appropriate orders on the prayer for impleadment.
For admission, item numbers 12 and 13.
Yes, madam.
Yes. May it please my Lordship. Lordship, this is a subsequent writ petition, and we have filed contempt also, and it has been clubbed up together. My Lord will kindly come to page, the judgment order that was directed to the respondents is at page 17, next year B, page 17.
17.
Yes, Lord.
Yes.
18, Lord.
Yes.
Judgment order is...
Paragraph 10.
Yes, from paragraph 10.
Please read.
Allow me to read out, Lordship.
Please read.
This court has taken note of that the respondent authorities, while making 24 appointments during the period from 2022 to 2023, did not at all adhere to the norms as set out in clause 4, in as much as no appointment was met on compassionate ground, or for that matter the office memorandum dated 17/9/2015. Be that as it may be, there is no challenge to those appointments, and as such this honorable court would not further deal with that issue any further. However, it is seen from the annexure 4 to the affidavit in reply that 13 new vacancies are to arise on, of which 12 vacancies are arising on 36/2025. 11. Under such circumstances, it is the opinion of this court that the petitioner therefore is required to be considered and accommodated in terms of the vacancies.
Okay, now what is your grievance?
My grievances is that Lordship will kindly...
Your cases were considered or not?
No. They say that they cannot consider it because I am a woman. That is their...
so that is the subject matter of challenge in the writ petition?
Yes, Lordship. This is
contempt is for non-compliance?
Non-compliance, Lordship.
Let us see the consideration order.
Non-consideration order.
Yes.
Lordship, prior to that, 2 gentle reminder has been submitted prior to 2 months ahead.
Okay, it doesn't matter.
Because
where is the order of compliance, consideration which ended in a rejection? Is it page 27?
27.
Yes.
This was supposed to be sent to me, not to the government advocate. However, this is the impugned challenge to Sri Mosemsa Longkamer, government advocate, Gauhati High Court, Kohima Bench, Kohima, Nagaland. Subject, writ petition number 174/2023.
What is the job involved?
Lordship.
What is the job involved? Handyman?
handyman. The posts are handyman.
Handyman
That
of
is
what?
grade 4 posts. Now all grade 4 posts in Nagaland has been merged together, and it is now called multitasking force. MTS. Yes, Lordship. So, Lordship, this is the...
Yes, government advocate, what is your stand?
Your Lordship, when in the court, when the case was, earlier case was disposed, the petitioner was standing at serial number 4. And-
3.
And 4.
Okay.
That's serial number 4. So, but however, Your Lordship, when this time came as in 36, the serial number of petitioner had moved back to serial number 10. So, considering that, he could not have been considered at all.
But
And-
that is not the concept, that is not your reason. You have said that it is she is not suitable for, the post is not suitable for a female candidate.
Yes, and it goes on also to say, Your Lordship, in the on the last line of the same paragraph. Your Lordship.
Yes.
May I read, Your Lordship? It is also mentioned that the petitioner is in serial number 10 in the consolidated waiting list of the compassion.
Have you produced the records?
Yes, and in my affidavit in opposition, when I filed my affidavit, the serial number had again moved back to serial 11 as of the latest updated.
How is serial number, how is the seriality maintained?
As per the date of death,
Okay.
first death. So.
Okay, some
it's-
people whose the death was before the death of the
Yes.
incumbent in the petitioner's case, they have also joined, they have also made a claim.
Yes, we have received
Yes,
more
in
applicants after
that
her.
case, madam.
No, Lordship, my Lord, let me...
Have you got the records?
Yes, in my affidavit in opposition.
No,
Affidavit in
the records. Get
As
the
well
records.
as my affidavit in
Now get
reply-
the records, we'd like to see the records. See, so far as your suitability part is concerned, we may not be agreeing with you.
Yes.
That may not be a reason to deny. More so when madam is saying that all such posts have been amalgamated into MTS. So you can still utilize the service.
Your Lordship.
But so far your defense of seniority is concerned, that will see the records.
I will satisfy my Lordship. Why they have sent me back to serial number 11? Previously, it is at serial number 3. Now, what I'm praying before this Honorable Court is that, Lordship,
Yes.
since the previous seniority list that was placed before this Honorable Court, this Honorable Court gave more than 1 year for them to accommodate the other 3 above me. And I waited for more than a year to be at to reach my serial number. That is the vacancy that is to arise on 30. I will satisfy my Lordship. Why they have done this is my previous, if my Lordship will kindly turn to annexure E page 24.
Yes.
These were the vacancies.
What is your name? Item, serial number?
No, this is the vacancies that was to arise.
Okay.
So this was placed before this Honorable Court. That's why the serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, that was left out for 3 others who were above me, this Honorable Court. For 3 others, they did not approach this Honorable Court, but this Honorable Court left these 4 posts for those assumed to be above me, Lordship. Then after more than a year of waiting, starting from 36/2025,
Yes.
there are from serial number 5 to 13.
Yes.
I was to accommodate in any of these vacancies. This is future vacancies and retirement dates. So my Lord, if my Lord will kindly come to page 25, annexure E1.
Yes.
I was at serial number 3. Why I'm saying this is, Srimati, they are just putting the names of the applicants who did not, in the new application, previously this Honorable Court considered that. One is, my Lord, you can kindly see, appointed or not. At 5, she has withdrawn her application requested to be replaced by her daughter, Srimati Imna Senla on 17/8/2023. This is one. I have, in my affidavit in opposition, I have also pointed this before this honorable court. One will apply and wait for more than years, then they are replacing. That way, I have been raised down to serial number 7. My lord will kindly come. Then serial number 2 is legit. This is previous, in the previous writ petition. 2, this one, not yet appointed. My lord will kindly.
Just a minute. Mr. Counsel, kindly come to page 25. 25, the chart.
Yes.
Serial number 9 is the petitioner. Madam, you are at serial number 9?
Yes, Lordship.
Now, thereafter, the date of passing away is 16/10/2021, correct?
Your Lordship, I
Serial number
9.
at
Yes.
page 25.
Yes.
The 1, 2, 3rd, 4th column, date and expiry of, date of expiry month and year of the deceased.
Yes.
16/10/2021.
Yes.
Not appointed.
Yes.
The next one, the date of expiry is 17/12/2021.
Yes.
So it's after the petitioner, so
The next column shows that that is in grade 3 post.
she is for grade 4.
Yes, Your Lordship.
I am in grade 4.
What is your
post.
qualification?
Lordship?
What is your
I
qualification?
am for grade 4.
You don't have the qualification for grade 3.
No. Grade 4. That's why, Lordship, my serial number. So, serial number 3, Alum Anar, Lordship, will kindly see, appointed but not on compassionate ground. This also gone. Those place above me. This also gone. Serial number 3 is also gone.
This serial number 3 is in a grade 4 post. Alu Namar? Is it on grade 4 post?
They will know, Lordship. Here there is, grade 3 posts are shown at serial number, at serial number.
Let him produce the records. Okay, when can you produce? Next Tuesday? Is it okay?
Yes. Lordship, the records are in page 10 of
No, the file, original file. Records doesn't mean the annexures.
Lordship.
Okay.
The office, the file where the processing has been done.
Lordship.
Would like to see that, you have shown good reasons, according to you, that subsequently persons whose claim is better than the petitioner, in the sense that the date of expiry is older than the date of expiry of the incumbent of the petitioner.
Yes.
Though they have also there. Then we'd like to see what is the date, how have you applied your mind, okay? We have for admission, the admission hearing, not for full hearing. Admission hearing we'll try to disclose it. Okay.
On Thursday?
Tuesday next?
Tuesday next. Lordship.
Okay. Heard Ms. Sodsu Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri Sodsu Learned State Counsel. Full stop. Pleadings are complete and the matter can be taken up for disposal at the admission stage. Full stop. Let the records, let the original records be produced by the Learned State Council on the next date. Full stop. List, on request, list on Tuesday next.
Lordship.
Give the date, please.
Obliged, Lordship.
For hearing, item number 86.
Yes, what is the matter about?
Lordship, the matter pertains to appointment of non-indigenous inhabitants to a grade 4 post and district.
Appointment of?
Non-indigenous inhabitant.
Okay, non-indigenous inhabitants.
To a grade 4 post and district officers.
Okay. You are who? Who are you? How many of you are there? One petitioner?
Yes.
One petitioner?
One petitioner.
What is your grievance?
Lordship, the state government has an OEM dated 26/10/2017,
yes,
which clearly states that only the indigenous inhabitants of a particular district can be appointed in grade 4 posts of that district. Lordship, may I kindly come to page number 14.
Now, the private respondent has been appointed, he is a non-indigenous
She's a non-indigenous inhabitant.
Okay.
And secondly, again, no selection process has been held for the appointment of the private respondents.
Okay. Yes, yes, madam. No appointment, no selection process.
Your Lordship, the application was received and after
Application was pursuant to any advertisement.
there was no advertisement.
Then how do you appoint? First, he is taking a ground at non-indigenous. That will come later.
Yes.
First, have you given all the eligible candidates a fair chance of being considered? That is our concern. Public appointment. On the aspect of whether the private respondent is an indigenous inhabitant, that aspect may be a subjective aspect, which you are for the private respondent. Yeah, are you an inhabitant, indigenous? Then how do you justify? First, there is no selection.
No selection, that is admitted person.
Then how is it, what post?
Surveillance worker.
Surveillance worker.
How many posts?
Only one post.
One post. It shall be done afresh. When were you appointed? What time?
On 18th January 2023, Lordship.
No interim order.
No interim order, Lordship.
Do you have any valid defense which can be considered?
Lordship, the only ground of the previous one is that Lordship, the petitioners they are relying on page number 14. That is an office memorandum dated 26 October 2017. Lordship, on this, as per this notification, they are relying that the post has to be filled only by the indigenous.
Correct, correct.
Lordship, however, they stated in their counter affidavit, they have stated that the post of surveillance worker, this is a technical and a transferable post. So the condition of the writ petitioner that this has to be filled only by the indigenous inhabitants of Nagaland. That is mitigating.
What do you say, government, on this stand? Whether a post of surveillance worker, whether that office memorandum would be applicable?
You were saying that it's not applicable since it's a technical post.
So on that you are supporting the private respondent. What about the requirement of a selection?
As far as that is concerned, Your Lordship, we admit that there was no selection, no advertisement. There was a selection as like applications.
You make a process. The second, so far as the second ground is concerned, we will not express any opinion. If there is a selection, your client and his client may also appear. And if he takes up the issue that whether surveillance worker is also covered by the same OM, we will answer that question in the particular case. Now, this interference will not be because we don't want to interfere on two grounds. We interfere only on the ground of not having a valid process of selection. Okay. Yes, your neighbor.
Lordship.
Disposes of. No? Please have your seat. The challenge in this present writ petition is against the appointment of the private respondent number 4 as surveillance worker on wide order dated 18/1/2023. Full stop. The said challenge is based on the ground that the appointment was made without any selection process, and secondly, that there was violation of an office memorandum dated 26/10/2017. Para. As per the facts projected, the petitioner claims to be eligible for appointment as surveillance worker under the Health Department. Health Department. Full stop. Health Department. Full stop. The petitioner has relied upon an office memorandum dated 26/10/2017, as per which all direct recruitment vacancies in grade 4 in the district offices are to be filled up by indigenous inhabitants of the respective districts. Full stop. The petitioner claims to have submitted an application on 9/9/2022 for a vacant post of grade 4 within bracket surveillance worker under the CMO, Kifire against a retired vacancy. Full stop. However, the said vacancy was filled up by appointing the respondent number 4 vide the impugned order dated 18/1/2023. Full stop. It is alleged that the said respondent number 4 is not a indigenous inhabitant, not an indigenous inhabitant of the said district. Para. I have heard Sri so-and-so learned counsel, so-and-so, no? Para. Sri so-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the office memorandum dated 26/10/2017 holds the field in the aspect of recruitment of grade 4 post in the district office, full stop. As per the same there is a requirement of the appointments being made from indigenous inhabitants of the respective district, full stop. The petitioner claims to be an indigenous inhabitant of the district of Kifire and otherwise eligible for appointment to the post of surveillance worker within bracket grade 4, which fell vacant on the incumbent on the retirement of the earlier incumbent. Full stop. However, he submits that instead of considering his application dated 9/9/2022 for such appointment, the respondent number 4 has been appointed vide the impugned order dated 18/1/2023. Full stop. It is submitted that the respondent number 4 is not an indigenous inhabitant of the said district of Kifire. Full stop. The learned counsel accordingly submits that interference of this court is required and a direction be given for appointing the petitioner in the said post. Full stop. Per contra, Ms. So-and-so, the State Council has defended the action and has submitted that the office memorandum dated 26/10/2017 would not have any application so far as the post of surveillance worker is concerned. Full stop. She submits that the said post involves technical aspect and cannot be confined only to an indigenous inhabitant of the respective district. Full stop. On the aspect of not holding a selection process, the learned State Council has, however, fairly admitted that the records do not show that any selection process was conducted prior to the said appointment. Ms. So-and-so, learned counsel for respondent number 4 has fairly endorsed the submission of the learned State Council. Full stop. He has fairly admitted that the respondent number 4, though not an indigenous inhabitant of the district of Kifire, the post in question cannot be confined to such indigenous inhabitant as the same involves technical aspects.
Technical and transferable.
He has also added that such posts are transferable in nature and therefore the embargo given by the OM dated 26/10/2017 would not be applicable. The rival submissions have been duly considered. and the materials placed before this court have been carefully perused. Para. As noted above, the challenge is structured on two broad grounds. Full stop. Firstly, it is urged that the respondent number 4 is not an indigenous inhabitant of the district of Kipre, and the appointment is accordingly in violation of the OM dated 26/10/2017. Full stop. The second ground, as noted above, is that such appointment was not preceded by any valid and recognized mode of selection. Para. The first aspect of the respondent number 4 not being an indigenous inhabitant of the concerned district is, however, not disputed. Full stop. However, the explanation is that the post in question is not covered by the OM dated 26/10/2017, as the same involves technical aspect and is also transferable in nature. Full stop. Para. The second aspect is the aspect of not having a recruitment process before filling up of the post. Full stop. Para. Before going to the first aspect, where there is also a justification, this court is of the view that the ground that the post in question was filled up without any selection process is a valid ground which has been demonstrated by the petitioner. Full stop. The same ground is also not disputed by the respondents, and the records also do not show that any process of recruitment was done whereby all eligible persons were given a fair chance. Full stop. It is right that all public employments are to be preceded by a duly held recruitment process whereby all eligible persons are to be given a fair and equal opportunity to compete. Full stop. The same requirement is not only in consonance with the right to equality enshrined in the Constitution of India, but also would give the authorities the best among the lot. Full stop. Para. This court is of the opinion that without even requiring to answer the first ground of challenge, the instant writ petition deserves to be allowed on the second ground of challenge, namely that the appointment of the respondent number 4 was not done by following a duly recruitment process. Full stop. Therefore, in view of the above, the writ petition stands allowed, and the impugned order dated 18/1/2023 of the appointment of the respondent number 4 stands set aside. Full stop. It is, however, made clear that the first ground of challenge would be answered in an appropriate case, inasmuch as certain justifications were given by the learned State Council as well as the Council for the respondent number 4. Consequently, it is directed that if the vacancy which has arisen on the retirement of the earlier incumbent is sought to be filled up, the same should be done strictly in accordance with law and by having a duly prescribed recruitment process.
Lordship, within the time frame.
They may not fill up, then what do you do? It's up to them. That is why I say, if
the direction may be given for interview, then Lordship.
That is we have said. But that first question we are not answering. If he advise if he appears and he's selected, then it may be another thing. He may not be selected. Yes, next. Item number 2. Who's there?
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner.
Yes.
Lordship, in the instant application, I am agreed by the email letters issued by the respondent number 5 and 6, dated 15/11/2025, and the relief order issued by the respondent number 4, whereby I have been relieved from my present place of posting to Zonal Head, Rajkot, Rajasthan. Your Lordship, initially I have been appointed in the respondent bank as JM1 in the respondent bank on 11/19,
Who's the
11/09/20.
Who's the respondent?
Bank of Baroda, Lordship, all are private respondents, Lordship.
Bank of Baroda has a standing counsel.
No, Lordship.
Who appears normally?
Lordship, here in Kohima bench, there is no standing counsel for the Bank of Baroda.
What is your name, Mr. Counsel?
P. Surin, Your Lordship.
P.
Surin.
Oh, Mr. Suryan, see, you have already relieved by order of 15/11/2025.
Lordship.
Then we will definitely examine your case. But where is the aspect of passing an interim order? And if
Lordship,
you...
frankly, I will admit the fact, Your Lordship, after filing this instant application, I have been informed my client that there is already caveat has been filed in the principal seat at Gauhati. So in that respect, Your Lordship, I will not seek for this any kind of interim relief.
Even otherwise, you after relief order, there will be no scope, but we can issue a short notice. Why have you filed here? You are posted here in Kohima.
In Dimapur, Your Lordship.
Okay. Okay.
While I was posted here in Dimapur, this relief order was passed, Your Lordship.
Okay. Yes, you may be correct in approaching this Kohima bench, no problem. Heard, Sri P. Suryan, learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by an order of transfer of the petitioner dated 15/11/2025 from Dimapur branch to which branch?
Zonal Head, Rajkot Zone, Lordship.
To the Rajkot Zone, Gujarat. Full stop. He has submitted that such transfer is in violation of the transfer policy. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable by. Can you serve Dusty?
Lordship, not through Dusty, Your Lordship, since all the branches are out of Nagaland, Your Lordship, except that respondent number 7.
Returnable by 4 weeks. Let steps be taken for service of notice about the respondents by registered post UTAD. Steps within 2 working days. Para.
Lordship, within 3 days, Lordship.
2 working days we have said. You can take it tomorrow, day after tomorrow, 3 days we have. 2 working days. Okay. Okay, within 3 days. Okay. Yes. That's all?
Lordship, in the order, I think registered post area has been closed now. It has to be
Speed post.
Speed post, yes.
Yes, speed post, right. One more order, I think you make it speed post. Okay.